Hamblin. I am the school counselor here at Lakeside Elementary. This is my 4th year being a school counselor, but our 1st year doing Hope Squad. And so we are trying out our Hope Week this week. And to kick it off, we did an assembly today, Stand for Kind. They came and talked to the students about being kind, character building, and they also had some BMX bikers, which was really cool. The kids loved it. With Stand for Kind, we heard about that organization through another school counselor in Davis School District. I know that they do staff trainings, assemblies, they do all sorts of things, but their main focus is on kindness and anti-bullying.
So when the assembly started, us Hope Squad kids went and welcomed everyone into the assembly. So after all that happened, we went and announced Stuart Edge, a YouTuber and magician. So Stuart Edge first had some teacher volunteers go up, and then he did a magic trick with them. After that, the BMX people came in, and they had this big ramp set up, and they started doing all these tricks, and they had music going, and it was just a lot of fun. And after that, they shared a message of kindness with us.
We travel to these different schools and we set up our ramps and ride our bikes, and we tell stories that are relevant to the kids and just try to promote some kindness. So we have 2 of the country's best BMX bike riders. First up, we have Skylar Pingree, who's riding for Fit Bikes, Vans shoes, ProTech helmets, and 50/50 BMX. Patrick Laughlin, he is probably most known for his big bike transfer that he did at the China X Games, where he jumped off his bike, flies through the air, and then somehow lands on another bike and rides away. We're stoked to be able to do what we love to do, and hopefully we had an impact with the kids and we'll be able to do it again in the future.
So the best part was watching the people and learning about how to help other people and being kind, and them teaching about kindness. You should always be kind to others and make sure kids are having a good day and that they feel safe and they want to come to school.
I feel like what we tried to get out of the assembly as Hope Squad kids was to make sure everyone felt like to be more kind and to be more outgoing children and be friends with everyone.
So the Hope Squad, in most schools in Davis District, they're focused on suicide prevention. And we wanted to bring that down to an elementary level, but just focusing on making sure everyone has a friend and everyone feels included. And one of my favorite quotes is, "To the world you may be one person, but to one person you may be the world." And it's totally true that these kids can make a difference in other people's lives.